Uh, okay, hi. Got your plan. Thanks for sharing it with me. And I guess that's the line you're talking about, and then the other line's over here. And those are on a layer called sealing break lines. Let's open display options and go to the C's and sealing break lines. You can't select them. You can only display them or turn them off. Okay, gone. And gone. Now, what do they represent? That's a $50,000 question. Turn that back on. I'm going to do a cross-section camera. Parallel to your biggest line. And there it is right there. It's where the ceiling is being conquered by the roof. The roof is too low. And that dashed line shows up right there in plan view to communicate that to you. The flat ceiling is interrupted by the angle of the roof. Let's look at the other one over here in the closet, and you'll find the same thing. Flat ceiling, that's where the dashed line shows. That's where the ceiling is conquered. So it's pretty simple for an old veteran guy like me, but yeah, I understand. What you need to do to fix that is you're going to have to redo the roof framing because, okay, here's how you do that. I'm going to go to dimension tools and measure from where this crust is up to where the flat ceiling is. What is that? 5 1/4. Okay. So I'm going to take, oh, the roof planes are turned off. Let me turn them on. Rufus planes, there they are, and baselines. Okay, so I'm just going to click on the roof tool and then marquee select the roofs. And I'm going to use the transform replicate tool for that selected group of roofs and move them up 5.25 inches. That's what I measured. And voila, the lines disappeared. What do you know? Okay, and let's do a cross section now. Of course, the framing is still going to show where it was. The framing hasn't moved yet, but when you rebuild framing, these top plate will be up here where it's supposed to be. Well, let's just do that. I'm going to go here to build framing, and roof, and build roof framing. I think we want to build second floor ceiling framing also because it's going to be affected. Uh-oh, there's still an old joist sticking through there. Okay. Well, your lines have disappeared. Let's look here this way. Huh, there's still a joist kind of, it must be left over from the old version. When I click on that, I'm getting a roof, oh, haven't built. Now, trusses, that's a different matter. We'll have to go over to display options and framing roof trusses. And I need to turn those on. Yeah, there we go. Okay, these won't update. Let's see, I'm going to select those. Well, I better be a little bit more careful. Let me do that. I think I got those. Open the dialog box on the trusses and then force them to rebuild. And when they rebuild, they just reconstitute themselves between the ceilings and the top of the roof. I'm going to do the same thing with these. Grab those. And force truss rebuild. Now we'll check that out with the camera view again. This way. See, now the framing isn't intruding into your room, and so there's no line in plan view. Let's check it this way. Now that and you have to rebuild framing too, because it doesn't automatically update. See, now we don't have a coffered ceiling here. We have a flat, uninterrupted flat ceiling. Okay, so that's what's going on with that. Thanks for sharing the file with me. I hope this helps you. Good evening.